When you guys get a price of a few $1,000s different, this is the result. You're gonna pay again to do it again. It's Alex from Ace Roofing. We're doing another project here in North York area. What happened is they did this roof 2 years ago. Unfortunately, homeowner wants a metal roof. They find a contractor, he didn't finish the job properly. It's been 2 years, they had a big issue. Squirrels getting in, rain getting in, they have a lots of leak and other issues. So they called us, we're removing the roof, we're redoing everything from beginning. Unfortunately, previous contractor installed the metal roof on top of the existing roof. Now it's our turn to remove everything from scratch, redo it. I just want to show you guys there is a difference between good quality and cheap quality work.